Hi, my name is Keith and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you top 3 best Forex trading simulators. So what is a simulator? Well, a simulator is simply a software that simulates real market conditions. Okay, it also allows traders to test their strategies or practice with virtual money before testing the skills on the real market. In today's video, as I've said, I'm going to show you top 3 best Forex trading simulators, and the first one being the stocks and Forex trading game. So you can actually get this app. It's actually available on Google Play Store and it's also available on the iPhone Apple Store. So in this case, this is the app over here. So once you're done installing it, you simply have to click on open. Okay, and you're going to be presented with a welcome screen like this. So for now, I'm simply going to click on the cancel. Then I'm going to choose my language. Of course, I'm going to choose English. It's the one I know among these. Then okay, you'll be given a page like this. So what you're going to do is you can start by learning. Okay, you can also do some quizzes and you can as well trade, like practice in this game. So let us try to click on trade. Okay, so now a chart is going to load up. Unfortunately, today it's Sunday and it's telling me that the market is closed. Okay, so for now I cannot try to buy and sell, but otherwise you can try it at any of the weekdays and it's going to work. So you can try to practice by buying and selling and see what happens from there. So let's try to check out some of the features. So let us say try to click on quiz. So if I get the answers correct, I earn like $5. If I get them wrong, I lose nothing. So okay, so let's try to play this game. So for example, you're going to be asked these questions about Forex. Simply answer them and you're going to be told if the answer is correct or not. So the first question is Forex trading principle. Okay, so buy cheaper, sell more expensive, sell cheaper, buy more expensive. Buy more expensive, sell more cheaper. So which one do you think is the answer here? Okay, so I am not going to finish these quiz questions, but we can try them out. So the other thing you can check out is actually the learning part. So this is where you can actually get to learn, and the more you learn, like the more you earn money. By the way, this is just virtual money, it's not real money. It's simply to like motivate you to learn more. So you can learn about why trade Forex. So when you click on that, you'll be able to read up all this stuff written in well and the graphics are okay. Then once you're done reading the this topic over here, simply click on collect $750 and okay, so to collect this you simply have to answer some questions and you'll be able to collect, because you might end up just click on the button without having to actually read. So the more you read and you understand, you'll be able to answer these questions. So for now, I'm going to skip this. So the other thing you can check out is actually the brokers here. So they're going to be presented with the top brokers you could try out if you'd like to get started with trading. So the first one being InToro plus 500 and fxcm.com. So you can check them out. Okay, so these are some of the things you can actually do with this app. So what is the second best Forex simulator you can try out? Well, the second one is actually InToro, and as you saw here over here, InToro does provide a free demo account where you can be given free demo account and practice with demo account and see how it goes from there. Okay, and the last one, actually the one you can try out, is actually MetaTrader 4. So MetaTrader 4 is actually a trading platform. So once you install MetaTrader 4, you'll be okay. You can as well like create a demo trading account just there within MetaTrader 4 and you'll be able to feel how it feels to trade in the market. So this is it about today's video. If you learned something from it, give it a like. So the links to all these platforms I've mentioned will be in the description. Bye for now.